Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting on continuous integration with Jenkins. At first, I will talk about what is Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source automation server that plays a central role in modern software development. It is used to automate essential development processes such as building, testing, and deploying applications. Jenkins supports both continuous integration, where code changes are integrated and tested frequently, and continuous delivery, where deployments become automated and consistent across environments. Overall, it helps teams deliver software faster and with higher reliability. Then the next slide is about Jenkins in DevOps. In DevOps, Jenkins serves as a key automation engine. Its primary purpose is to automate repetitive tasks, ensuring that builds and tests run consistently without manual intervention. By enabling frequent code integration, Jenkins helps development teams detect issues early and maintain a smooth workflow. It also speeds up the delivery pipeline by coordinating automated steps from code commit to deployment. Because of this, Jenkins has become one of the most important tools in any CI/CD ecosystem. Then the next slide is about why Jenkins. Organizations choose Jenkins for several strong reasons. First, Jenkins is open source and free, which makes it accessible to companies of any size. It is also highly extensible with more than 1800 plugins available, allowing teams to integrate virtually any tool they need. Jenkins works with all major technologies, programming languages, and deployment platforms. It integrates smoothly with tools like Git, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, and many others. Another major advantage is pipeline as code, where developers define the CI/CD pipeline using a Jenkins file, ensuring version controlled and reproducible workflows. Then the next slide is about advantages of Jenkins. Some of the key advantages of Jenkins include its strong plugin ecosystem and its ability to run distributed builds, where multiple agents can execute jobs in parallel. It works with almost any language or build tool, making it highly adaptable. The Jenkins community is large and active, which means continuous improvements, frequent updates, and strong support. Its flexible pipelines allow teams to design complex workflows, from simple builds to multi-stage deployments. These capabilities make Jenkins one of the most powerful CI tools in the industry. Then history of Jenkins and renaming from Hudson. Jenkins has an interesting history. It was originally developed as Hudson in 2004 by Kosuke Kawaguchi at Sun Microsystems. Hudson quickly became popular as an early CI tool, widely adopted in both enterprise and open source projects. However, after Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems, disagreements arose regarding the control and direction of the Hudson project. As a result, the open source community voted to fork the project and rename it Jenkins in 2011. From that point forward, Jenkins became the community driven continuation, while Oracle retained the Hudson name. Jenkins ultimately grew much faster and became the dominant CI tool globally. Then the next slide is about growth of Jenkins. After the fork, Jenkins experienced rapid growth due to its strong community support. Its plugin ecosystem expanded significantly, enabling integrations with a wide range of modern DevOps tools. Over time, Jenkins became widely adopted by enterprises for building and managing CI/CD pipelines. It continues to evolve, adapting to new technologies and remaining a central part of DevOps automation. Then the next slide is about alternative CI tools similar to Jenkins. Although Jenkins is one of the most popular CI tools, there are several strong alternatives. GitLab CI/CD is built directly into the GitLab platform and uses a GitLab CI.yml file for pipeline as code. It also includes powerful lifecycle tools from planning to deployment, along with scalable runners. GitHub Actions is a native CI/CD system inside GitHub. It uses YAML workflows and offers a large marketplace of reusable automation components, making it ideal for teams already using GitHub. CircleCI is a cloud-based CI/CD platform known for fast builds, parallel execution, and strong Docker support. It offers easy configuration and both cloud and self-hosted options. These tools serve similar purposes and each has its own strengths depending and organizational needs. And the last one is summary. In summary, Jenkins is a powerful and highly flexible automation server for CI/CD. It is widely used because of its extensive plugin ecosystem, strong community, and ability to integrate with almost any DevOps tools. Jenkins has evolved from its origins as Hudson into a mature industry-leading platform. Additionally, several modern CI tools like GitLab CI, GitHub Actions, and CircleCI offer alternative solutions within the CI/CD landscape. Thank you for listening.
Let's update our Ubuntu server. Give the password. Then clear it. Okay. Now I create a simple Docker volume. The name is Jenkins Home. Then I pull the Jenkins image on Docker. Then I check my Docker by the command docker ps. Then I find my IP by the command IP space A. This is my IP. Okay, I copy it. Then I go to a search bar and search with my IP and give the hostname 8080. Here is my Jenkins. To see the Jenkins password, I run the command sudo docker access Jenkins. Here is my password. I copy this password and paste on the unlock Jenkins option. Then install suggested plugins. Here give some times for getting started. After that I create the first admin user. Here I give the username, then password, then confirm password, then my full name, then my email address. Okay, save and continue. Okay, here the dashboard of Jenkins. Here is new item, build history, build queue, etc. I create a new item, then enter the item name. I give the name hello Jenkins, then select freestyle project, then OK. Then in the configure I give the general description. Here you can write anything. I write this is my first job. Okay, then at build step I select execute shell, then I give the command echo space quotation mark hello Jenkins quotation mark close, then save. Okay, here is my hello Jenkins. Then I build now is I click the build now option and it is successfully built. For check I go to the status, then console output. Yes, at the console output I see this is finished and success. After that I install my Git on Ubuntu and give the password. Then I give the command for configure Git by username and user email. At first I give the username, then I give the user email. Then I go to the search engine and search github.com, the new repository. Here I give the repository name. I give Jenkins demo. Then I select the create repository option. Then this is my repository. Then I create a new file. Here I write hello Jenkins. This is my first Jenkins assignment. Okay, and then I give the file name hello.txt. Okay, commit changes. Okay, after refreshing I can see this. Then I copy the URL, again go to the Jenkins option and enter the new item name, pulling GitHub demo, then select the freestyle project, then okay. In the description I write this is pulling from GitHub. Okay, I select the Git option and in the repository URL I paste my URL link. Then in the branch specifier I write main. Then again at build step I choose execute shell. In the execute shell I write the command ls space -la get hello.txt or echo quotation mark hello.txt. Not found. Then save. After clicking the build now, it is the build is done. For checking this I click on that and console go to the console output. Then I see finished successfully. It is done for today.